Hi all, Nick Silverstein here, making another tutorial on how to install macOS Catalina on the Dell Latitude E6x20. As you can see, I made EFI folders for all of the models that are available in that line, and I have a written guide that I will make available to you guys to download the tutorial. So please, when you get a chance, like this video, subscribe. I'm looking to get like 50 likes on this video. It would be really nice if I can get 50 likes, because it helps YouTube realize that my content is good and it helps other people find it. And also, if you could subscribe, share this video on Facebook, that would be really helpful. It really helps out the channel, and I'm trying to get the 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently at like 600, so it'd be great to get 1,000 subscribers. So please like, subscribe on the video, subscribe to my channel, and the download link for the EFI folder and my guide is in the description of this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if you can, donate to the channel. It really does help out. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, have a nice day. Alright, bye.